How can I stop snoring?
Snoring is a big problem for a lot of people. When it comes to snoring, there's a couple of ways that people have a snoring issue. So some people nasally snore, some people snore through their mouth. Some people, it goes as far as they've got sleep apnea, and that causes them to snore in between when they're actually getting their breaths in. In terms of the nasal type of snoring, there are many products available for unclogging the nostrils. But when it comes to the actual throat type snoring, you need to figure out what the causes are there, especially if it's sleep apnea. One thing that does help with all types of snoring is losing weight. So if you're carrying a little bit of extra weight, losing weight first will definitely help your snoring.